Hey there! So you've stumbled upon an interesting problem with your two Swift macOS apps that are based on distributed notification center. It seems like the message delivery is a bit finicky, with notifications sometimes not being received or just behaving unpredictably. You've tried looking at console logs, but haven't found anything useful yet. You even noticed that notifications get sent when the machine goes to sleep and wakes up again. How strange, right? Now, let's delve into the solution. The key to debugging this issue lies in using notifyutil, a command line utility that helps interact with the Notify notification system and the notifyd server on macOS. By leveraging the options like NS notification deliver immediately and NS notification post to all sessions, you can ensure that your notifications are delivered promptly and to all relevant sessions. These options can bypass normal suspension behavior and ensure broader notification reach, potentially solving the erratic behavior you've been experiencing. In summary, if you're facing issues with distributed notification center in your Swift macOS apps, give notifyutil a try and explore the NS notification deliver immediately and NS notification post to all sessions options to fine-tune your notification delivery. Hopefully, this helps you track down those pesky bugs and ensures smooth communication between your apps. Remember, a little tweak can go a long way in enhancing the reliability of your app interactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!